Hi guys, welcome to the stream. This here is Kambing Golek with me. So if you guys missed our live stream last week, we already did unboxing of the ROG Strix series with her. So today we'll be checking out the ASUS TUF Gaming and TUF Dash laptops. But before we get into that, I think let's Kambing Golek introduce herself.
Okay, saya kenalkan diri saya dulu. Nama saya adalah Kambing Golek atau lebih dikenali sebagai Big. Saya seorang gaming content creator di YouTube di mana saya buat video mengenai video games lah macam GTA, Apex Legend, RC, Rainbow Six Siege dan banyakkan lebih kepada VR chat lah kalau korang pernah tengok video saya. And also thank you ASUS for having me today.
It's a pleasure,
Hari ni kita akan unbox 3 laptop. So make sure korang stay tune. Kita tengok apa yang Bing akan unbox sekarang. So the first one, kita ada ASUS TUF Dash. Right, let's unbox this. Tada!
Agak simple kotak ni bandingkan minggu lepas.
Yeah, I think last 2 weeks we did with ROG, right? It was quite fancy jugalah.
Yep.
So this one, as usual, kalau laptop tak ada charger then you wouldn't call it a laptop lah, alright? So this one, okay, that's it. Okay, ini untuk yang pertama.
So dalam charger dia ada yang 180 watt, agak kecil sedikit. Dan juga yang power adapter lah. Sepatutnya it comes with a bag, tapi sebab tak cukup space kita tak bawa lah bag tu.
Alright, so this one untuk TUF Gaming. So let's see. Okay, korang tengok yang ni dulu. Okay, this one ada stiker kalau korang nampak kat sini. I always do this. Okay, as usual ada charger and also this one. And pretty much diorang just ada like the manual lah.
Yeah, the usual documentation. So mainly this one, the special thing is the sticker yang beza dengan yang tadi TUF Dash dan juga kotak dia. Dia agak macam kotak Gundam kalau korang ada collect atau korang main Gunpla. On my side here actually I have.
Oh, you have one more?
Yes. It's heavy. So yeah, this is the TUF Gaming F17, which is a 17-inch laptop. So earlier we unboxed two 15 inches.
Quite big. Okay, hold on.
So yeah.
Put next to me.
So yeah, it's a 17-inch as you expect. So it's a little bit bigger. But I think in terms of design, it's similar.
Okay, what do we have inside the box? As usual, kita ada manual there.
Documentation. So yeah, there's the stickers, so you can customize your laptop as you want. Aja lah. Normal.
Charger.
So yeah, on the camera, I think you guys can see Tiga laptop. You can see these two are pretty similar, these two here, because these are the TUF Gaming models, the F17, the A15, and this is the TUF Dash. So based on you looking at the three, if like you tengok macam ni boleh differentiate.
Actually, I nampak yang kat depan. You can see the design here.
The TUF logo is like slightly more embossed.
Yeah. So this one macam sama, right? And this one like on top of it.
Yeah, here this one is a little bit in the corner. It's considered more subtle lah compared to this. This one is right in the
Also they
center.
have, what is this?
Like bolts, like dia nampak macam
Nampak
paku lah.
betul lah,
Nampak
bukan
macam
lah,
paku
bukan.
sebab dia kan TUF, so it's like military grade. It's designed to show off that rugged design. The other thing is that if you look at the sides, it's very much the same. But let's say if you look at, I show yeah, that's
So
like,
here, this side.
So yeah, if you look at it, actually these laptops in terms of I/O, they pretty much have the same things as well. These all three TUF laptops, we all have the DDR5 memory, which is the latest that all these laptops support, as well as Max Switch, which is our recent feature that we included, including the ROG series and also our TUF series. All of them have Max Switch, and of course the latest processors and graphics card lah. Because well, in terms of processor and graphics card, we have Intel, AMD, and Intel. So yeah, we have options for whether you choose Intel or AMD. We have options for you. As mentioned earlier, this is the Intel powered. So this is Intel 12500H with the RTX 3050.
3050.
Yeah, and then this one is the AMD powered one. So it comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 6800HS and the RTX 3050 as well. So this one comes with the Intel Core i5 12450H with the RTX 3050 Ti. So while the graphic cards might sound pretty similar, actually these two being thicker, they allow the graphic card to run faster. So these two allows the graphic card to draw up to 105 watts, while this one runs at 75 watts.
Okay, you need to tell me which one yang ada RGB.
Which are the RGB? Why don't you turn them on?
Oh, okay. Well, we should try that, yes. Okay, except for that one, this one ada RGB, this one ada RGB. So, why does that one yang tak ada?
I think it's because they actually designed this one to be sleeker. So as you can see from the overall design, it's like designed to be a more low profile gaming laptop. So it's not like as as outright gaming as these two. These two, I mean, tengok dari jauh pun tahu dia gaming laptop kan. So this one is like meant for more portable, more sleek, so a more professional look. And I think professionals don't really need RGB.
That's why it's called TUF Dash lah. You
Yeah.
just like dash.
Yes, for you to dash around with this laptop. What's the difference between TUF A and TUF F? So TUF A is AMD, TUF F is Intel. And that's also applied to the TUF Dash as well, TUF Dash F15, so Intel.
Oh, quite heavy lah. This one because obviously dia besar kan.
Yeah, obviously 17-inch
Obviously.
laptops. 17-inch laptops are meant
What
for
do I
more like
expect? Yeah.
desktop replacement style. So yeah, 2.6 kilo, but I think 2.6 kilos, if you consider like older laptops, is, to be honest, not that heavy. But I think if you really want to be like on the go a lot, definitely the Dash is the one to go for. So this weighs actually just 2 kilos, which to me I believe is a relatively light.
I prefer this, like obviously compared to like yang besar-besar kan.
Yeah.
Especially bila I macam pergi study and then I nak bawa laptop, I think I'm better use this.
Actually, we also sent this to like an offshore engineer, whereby he tested it. So he tested it with the military grade standard and also the performance, everything. So he tested and found it to be good because obviously NVIDIA RTX 30 series, we have AI acceleration or the RTX stuff. It's actually very powerful and very good for his calculations. All his AI calculations, all that can be done on just the laptop.
I mean like dekat tengah-tengah laut tu.
Yeah, because like military grade standard, so it's certified. So like kat tengah laut, vibrate, goyang, semua tu. Everything is already tested on these laptops and they are meant to survive it. And actually previously kita pernah buat orang berdiri atas laptop. So I don't recommend doing it.
Okay, can we
Jangan.
No, okay.
I don't recommend doing it. But last time during one of the launches, during the previous the ASUS TUF launches, we actually had someone step on the laptop. But yeah, it survived. Oh yeah, actually another thing I forgot to mention. So this laptop also has Thunderbolt and also USB PD charging.
USB PD charger.
Yeah, so earlier we took out the chargers, right? So essentially you can charge it with a power bank if you want. Or
Power bank.
Power bank can, or like phone chargers, anything that supports USB charging, you can charge this laptop. So with this laptop, actually you can just bring one charger, say your phone charger, and you can just charge it for work. But of course, if you want to game, then I recommend you to bring the actual charger
Please use this kalau gaming.
because
Nobody
you won't get the full
gaming.
performance without it. And that's one of the special things of the Dash, which the A15 and the F17 does not have. So that's why this is like really suitable for those who dash. So I think that's all the time we have for today. And so out of these three, which one will you bring home? If you can bring home, I won't let you bring home.
The one you're holding. Yang ni.
So this one is the one you want.
Yeah, I'm nak yang ni. Sebab ni paling ringan and I think paling sesuai lah. Especially for student yang macam nak just, like I said, this is Dash, right?
Yep.
TUF Dash. So I prefer this one.
It's very nice for you to just bring to work, bring home.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think thank you Kambing Golek for your input on
Thank you for
you
inviting
liking this, me also. So yeah, thank you guys. And if you guys didn't watch last week's stream, you guys make sure to go check it out. Hopefully we'll have the link in the comments, or if not, you guys can go check it out on ROG's page. And also we'll be having some other streams coming up soon on ROG as well. So make sure to join us over there and stay tuned for all those. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.